demo the blinkers. Somebody asked about the blinkers, can you see them? So I did not put on the headlight. So it looks more like a mountain bike. This right here are the flashers, so you can see the blinkers are going at it. Super bright day today, so you can see it clear. Flashers off. Right. Left. One thing I wanted to call out still is a little bit of rubbing on this part, but I can live with it. I'm still around 27 psi. Might even go down to like 25. Don't really need too much air pressure. Power is great. Still maxed out at 45.3. Probably do another speed run this weekend. A little too windy for that today. The rear brake lights. You can see that, right? Bright daylight. Still clear. So one thing I did add was a zip tie to the motor wire here because it's super close to the brake rotor here. It's probably like a couple millimeters to that rotor, so just for precautionary measures, put a zip tie to hold it back. Other than that, sweet bike.